I use these pillow curlers to curl my hair, and as you can see, it came out two different ways because I used two different methods. Now, I didn't really want to go for the tight curl look. I wanted more of a loose wave or a beach wave pattern. So the key is to start from the top of the hair and spiral it around the curl. Now, I didn't take any photos because actually I was just testing this out before my wash day. I have an event coming up and I didn't want to wait until the last minute to try this the day before. So I just kind of practiced on my hair using a couple different methods, and I definitely like the way the curls turned out. So when I did this, I literally did it on damp hair. I didn't use any product. This was done right before I went to bed, probably around 10:30, and I took them out roughly around 8 a.m. So it is dry because I did not saturate my hair. So the curls actually held up for the whole day before I washed it. But I think it would do much better if I use like a little bit of mousse or something like that. And also the curls just look really dull. So I think some sort of setting lotion that's light, that won't leave, you know, residue behind, or a mousse would probably work great. Now, as you can see, I just rolled this one up like a regular like sponge roller, and this is how it turned out. So that's not the look I'm going for. So I didn't style it either for this video. Again, this video was just to show you the different technique and how it came out when I used the spiral method from the top of the hair. I hope this video was helpful.